In this video, I am going to show you how to clean the printhead of HP OfficeJet Pro 8210 printer. That's the automatic printhead cleaning. Go to the printer display panel, click on the setup and press OK. Select tool section and press OK. You will see the first option, clean printhead. Press OK again. So it will start the cleaning immediately. If you see everything is okay, that means printhead is cleaned properly. If you don't see this, if you see anything missing, any lines, then you have to go to the display panel. So click on the continue to go for the second level of cleaning if the print results are not good. Otherwise, you can just click on the cancel right now and we can just go back. So we have already done the printhead cleaning. So this will improve the print quality, and if there is any missing ink, line, then you have to follow this process. This is the automatic printhead cleaning of the printer. Thanks for watching.